Hey guys, welcome back to Cara's Cakes. Today's video is going to be a vlog style video because the video idea I had planned for this week isn't going to work out. I wasn't able to get my package in the mail fast enough. I think it had something to do with them shutting down Canada Post in Halifax. I think that one of their employees had a positive case, so I think they shut down, and my package says that it's in Halifax, so I'm assuming it got stuck there for a couple days. Anyway, so I will film that when I get it, but for now, we'll do a vlog style video. This morning I woke up pretty early. Chip and I went for a really long walk and did some laundry. It's 11:30 now, and I'm just gonna do some cleaning, decorating cupcakes, and I think I'm gonna make some Cakesicles as well. I know nobody really wants to talk about COVID, but curious to see where you live, what the COVID cases are like now. Here in Nova Scotia, there's 200 and some active cases and 50 new cases today. 51 new cases today. Today's Saturday, April 24th. So I think there's 52 cases, but that's 200 and some cases total is a lot for us in a long time. So it's kind of scary, but I have a feeling everything's gonna get shut down again. I feel like I'm kind of being a downer today. Got a little bit of a headache, talking about COVID. Anyways, we're gonna try and make this day a little better and make some Cakesicles and decorate some cupcakes. It's actually a sunny day outside today. It's supposed to be a high of 10 degrees, 10 degrees Celsius, which isn't very warm, but if the sun is out, we will take it. Alright, so I wanted to show you some failed Cakesicles. They were red velvet inside. They're still edible and I will eat them, but you can see the white spots, and that is from overheating the chocolate. It's called blooming, and you don't want that on your Cakesicles. So these ones were a fail, but we're going to go ahead and do them again. They didn't need to be red velvet inside, so I'm going to use vanilla next time. So that's sad that I wasted chocolate, but I'm going to try not to waste them, and Seamus and I will eat these ones. Okay, so I have my lemon blueberries all set to go. I have my buttercream ready, my blueberries for the top, and I also have some yellow sprinkles too. So I've been trying to get my Instagram to look a little bit nicer, so I've been taking pictures of everything in the daylight because the pictures turn out better. And I even took a photography course in the fall, and I have my camera over here. Actually, the photography course that I took in the fall, they're putting on another one this weekend, and that's what these cupcakes are for. I'm individually boxing them, and they're gonna give them to the people taking the course this time. So I'm just taking a few pictures of them, and then I'm gonna box them up. Okay, I have them all boxed up, and they ordered a dozen, but they only wanted 8 of them boxed individually, so I put the other 4 in here. I'm going to get started on the Cakesicles, and I wiped these out really good. I got these candy melts at Michael's, and some of these sprinkles as well. If you haven't seen my Cakesicle video, I'll link that above right here. Definitely go watch that for more of a step-by-step process. And right now I'm going to mix up the cake and buttercream, and then we're gonna go ahead and melt some chocolate. Okay, the Cakesicles have the top layer on. I'm gonna let them sit for a little while, maybe like an hour, just to make sure that they're like completely set. While those are setting, I'm gonna go outside with Chip and throw the ball around. And, you ready, Chippy? Are you ready to go outside? Come on. I'm back inside now, and these are hard, so I'm gonna try to pop them out and see what they look like. Turned out much better than the other ones I made yesterday, and I'm going to go ahead and shave off all the extra chocolate on the sides. Okay, so I individually wrapped all these Cakesicles, and I'm going to throw them in the same box as the cupcakes. Alright, so now that I'm done with my cake stuff for the day, I'm going to take advantage of the nice weather, and Chip and I are going to go for a little drive. My mom made mac and cheese yesterday, and she said she made some for Seamus and I, so I'm going to go grab that and see what's going on over there. So I forgot my mom is at church this time of day, so brought her dish back. I'll leave a note. So I came to pick up the mac and cheese, but I don't see it in the fridge anywhere, so I'm assuming my mom put it out in the garage. So I'm gonna go, hopefully it's out there. Okay, so I found the mac and cheese in the garage, so I'm gonna steal these and go home. They're not home, so we have to go home. Chippy, they're not home, so we have to go home, me and you. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Chip and I just got back from our walk, and all I'm gonna do the rest of the night is edit this video. So hopefully it wasn't too boring. I know not everybody likes the vlog style videos, but next week will be a little bit more exciting because I'm waiting for a few things to come in the mail. So once they come, I'll be able to film those videos. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. And definitely leave me a comment and let me know what kind of video you'd like to see. Thanks so much for watching.